Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best bra wash bags in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Kimmama High Permeability Sandwich Fabric Lingerie Laundry Bag. This Kimmama High Permeability Sandwich Fabric Lingerie Laundry Bag is the perfect solution for protecting and safely laundering your delicate lingerie items. This 3-pack of bags is perfect for protecting and washing bras, socks, panties, and undershirts. The superior permeability of the sandwich fabric allows ventilation and quick drying. These lingerie laundry bags are perfect for keeping your delicate lingerie items safe in the wash and are machine washable for easy and convenient care. Pros: high permeability fabric offers protection for delicate items. Pack of 3 bags allows multiple items to be washed at once. Ideal for washing bras, socks, panties, undershirts, and baby clothes. Easy to use and store. Cons: may not be suitable for heavier items or larger items. May not be suitable for washing items with sharp edges. Number 2. Our second best pick is Plusmart Large Mesh Lingerie Bags for Laundry. The Plusmart Large Mesh Lingerie Bags for Laundry are the perfect way to keep your delicates safe when washing them in the washing machine. These bags are made from a strong and durable mesh material that won't snag or tear, and it's designed to fit F to G cup sizes. With 3 bags included in the set, you have plenty of room to store all your delicates in one place. The mesh material allows the water and detergent to flow through and clean your items without damaging them. Plus, the drawstring closure ensures that your items stay secured and won't get. Pros: large mesh bags help protect delicate items during washing. Suitable for a wide range of cup sizes from F to G. The 3-pack provides extra protection for multiple items. White color is easy to find in a washer. Cons: only available in white color. May not be large enough to fit larger cup sizes. Number 3. Our third best pick is Honey Can Do 2-Sided Bra Wash Bag. This Honey Can Do 2-Sided Bra Wash Bag is perfect for keeping your bras clean, safe, and in great condition. The bag is designed with 2 sides, allowing you to wash multiple bras at the same time. The bag features a zipper closure, allowing you to easily secure the bras inside the bag. The double for easy handling and transportation. The Honey Can Do 2-Sided Bra Wash Bag is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their bras looking and feeling great. It is perfect for strapless bras and is available in a white, large size. Pros: keeps bras separated and organized when washing. Made of durable material. Comes with a zipper closure. Large size fits up to 6 bras. Machine washable. Cons: not suitable for bras with straps. Maybe too big for smaller bras. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is 10-ry set of 3 medium bra bags. The 10-ry set of 3 bra bags is the perfect way to protect your bras and undergarments from the harshness of the washing machine. These delicate wash bags are constructed from a fine mesh material, providing the best protection for your A to D cup bras and undergarments. The set includes 3 medium bags, ideal for storing multiple bras or other garments. Each bag features a durable YKK zipper, ensuring your garments stay securely stored and protected during the wash and spin cycle. With the 10-ry set of 3, you can keep your bras and undergarments looking like new, wash after wash. Pros. Set of 3 provides multiple uses. Fits A to D cup sizes. Made from delicate laundry bags. Has a YKK zipper to secure items. Protects bras and underwear during the wash cycle. Cons. May be too small for larger cup sizes. Not suitable for large items such as sweaters. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Woolite X Large Bra Wash Bag. The Woolite X Large Bra Wash Bag is the perfect way to protect your favorite bras and other delicates during the wash cycle. The bag is made of a durable and breathable mesh fabric, allowing water and detergent to penetrate the fabric while still keeping delicate items safe. The bag measures for protecting bras, lingerie, stockings, and other delicate items during the washing process, keeping them looking like new. Treat your delicates right with the Woolite X Large Bra Wash Bag. Pros. Protects delicate bras and lingerie while they are being washed. Large size is perfect for washing multiple items at once. Keeps hooks and straps from tangling and snagging. Mesh bag construction allows water and detergent to circulate freely. Cons. Bag may not be big enough for some larger items. May not be suitable for washing some heavier items. Mesh construction may not be strong enough for some items. May be too large for smaller wash loads. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.